It says this blade is made of 24K pure gold. I'm gonna remove it right now. Oh my gosh, like I'm just looking at this tiny viewfinder and it is showing up. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a first impressions of these products that Daily Vanity sent over, and these are the products that have won their Daily Vanity Beauty Awards 2021. So I'm so excited to be testing them out and letting you guys know if they are worth the award. So before we get started, you guys can also check out a video that I did last year, also reviewing the Daily Vanity Beauty Awards 2020 winner products. For those of you who are not familiar with Daily Vanity, I believe if you're a beauty junkie like me, you would have already heard a lot about this e-magazine that does not only reviews on beauty products like your skincare and makeup, your hair care, even your body care. This is their 4th year running of the Daily Vanity Beauty Awards 2021. So if you guys are interested to find out which are the products that won these awards, you can check out their microsite, which I'm gonna link in the description box below. And I think it's super helpful because if you're looking for a new product, like for example, what is the best moisturizer for acne prone skin, you can just straight away go there and just, you know, look out for the product that has been tried and tested and voted as the best one for this particular category. And the good thing about Daily Vanity Beauty Awards is that they have 4 different types of awards. So the first award is the Editor's Choice, of course. These are the products that have been reviewed and voted to be the best by the Daily Vanity editors. 2, Expert's Choice. So these products are reviewed and voted by some of the experts in the industries like makeup artists, dermatologists. 3, Reader's Choice. So of course, these products are voted by over 1,200 beauty readers like you and I. Lastly, this is my favorite category, which is Worth a Shot. So these are the products that have left significant impressions on the Daily Vanity Beauty team. It's just like the dark horse in the game. So if you're interested to find out all of these winners, you can check out the microsite. Once again, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Let's get started. So I have 2 makeup products over here. In fact, okay, 1. These are the Milani Baked Highlighters, and they have been voted as Expert Choice winners. I'm honestly really shocked because Milani is a drugstore brand. It's very affordable. So in order to be voted as #1 in the Expert Choice, right, it means that it's the #1 product that makeup artists have voted for, you know, so that says a lot. So the first color that we have is Champagne Dioro, and we also have Dolce Perla. I'm gonna try the champagne one. Okay, it doesn't come with a mirror, but I guess for the price you can't really complain. Ooh, I'm just like putting a tiny little bit and you can see I like the color. I feel like it's not too warm and it's not too cool, but at the same time it gives you a very nice lit from within glow. You don't have big chunks of glitter. It's just a nice sheen, like when you shift your head and turn your head around. And I would imagine this to be amazing on the nose. So on the chin, maybe a little bit. Oh my gosh, like I'm just looking at this tiny viewfinder and it is showing up. Now let's move on to skincare. This one, I'm going to start with this first because I personally have used this for over a year now and I do love it. This one is the Paulas Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. So it actually won the Best Facial Liquid Exfoliant in both the Editors and Reader's Choice Awards. I guess for one product to win 2 awards is really quite impressive. I personally have used this and I really like it. It's very, very lightweight and it contains 2% BHA liquid exfoliant and salicylic acid, so it really helps unclog your pores, help to chemically exfoliate your face. So once you apply it, after you cleanse, it's very, very fast absorbing. Next up, we also have another exfoliant. This one is the Caring Skin Gentle Exfoliator, and it's won the Worth a Shot Beauty Awards. Ooh. It has a nice citrusy kind of scent, nothing too overpowering, so it comes out like clear gel. It does contain small little physical exfoliating beads. I'm a little bit afraid of physical exfoliants because when I was younger, I used to use them twice a day, and that really left my skin barrier very sensitive and broken. But I feel that this one is actually quite gentle, and the exfoliants are so small, like so small and so fine. You can barely see them with your eyes, but you can feel them. Let's see how it feels once I take a wet tissue. Wow! I literally left it on for 5 seconds. I actually like it and I love the smell. Oh my gosh. Next up, we have here the Essano Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cleanser. It says to cleanse, energize, remove excess dirt and oils, and it's soap-free. This is a very interesting texture. You feel like you're applying aloe vera, like it's that kind of aloe vera texture. And it's very gentle on the skin. You feel like there is a nice thick layer in between your fingers and your skin, so you don't over cleanse or don't use too much strength and cause too much friction on your skin, which is great. This one won the Worth a Shot Best Brightening Cleanser. I think it will be amazing for people with very dry or sensitive skin because it gives you a very gentle cleanse. The Cica Gel Moisturizer from Face Republic that won the Best Moisturizer for Acne-Prone Skin Reader's Choice Award. So it's a very simple packaging. You can see, right? It just has like the name and the ingredients list right at the front. It is dermatologically tested. It has Centella asiatica to moisturize damaged and irritated skin. I think when it comes to acne-prone moisturizers, we're looking for soothing benefits, protective benefits, as well as a lightweight texture because you don't want to clog your skin even more or kind of weigh it down even more. And it feels a little bit cooling. Oh, there is tea tree oil inside. Maybe that is why. Tea tree oil is really good for healing your pimples and killing the bacteria as well. As you know, if you have acne, tea tree oil is one of your best friends. Next up, we have in Best Hydrating Essence by the Editor's Choice Awards. This is the Uriash Eau Thermal Glow Up Water Essence. It says to moisturize, rebalance, and brighten your skin. Let's give it a shot. It's very lightweight. It looks like water, but when you touch it, it has a little bit of a viscosity to it. So this one is definitely more on the hydrating side. Let's see how long it takes to absorb. Very fast. Not sticky at all. The smell is very fresh. You know, it's not florally, it's not fruity or citrusy. It just smells like nice, clean, fresh bed sheets. Ooh, we have a beauty device. This one is the Reclair Gold Galvanic Ion Water Peeling Device that have won the Best Beauty Tool in the Reader's Choice Awards. So this one says made in Korea. First thing, it is really nice and sleek. It's white with gold details at the side, and it's actually really thin. Like, look how thin this is. So you can actually keep it in your purse very easily, or like your makeup vanity bag. It says this blade is made of 24K pure gold. I'm gonna remove it right now. I really appreciate it when there are names on it. So it has peeling, G Blue, and G Red. This is one of the few peelers in the market with a hypoallergenic gold blade. So having a gold blade helps to maximize its effectiveness because of the high conductivity of the gold itself. Next up, we have hair care. So this one is the Return Trico Blend Purifying Shampoo, sulfate and paraben free. So it says, pamper your hair and scalp with this luxurious nourishing shampoo made with raw and active plant ingredients, 100% pure essential oils, and it helps to protect your hair, leaving it soft and full. This one won the Best Shampoo and Conditioner for Oily Scalp in the Editor's Choice Awards. Oh, it smells very herbal. Whoa, it's actually quite like watery. you don't get a lot of lathering or soapy feeling. My hands are cooling right now, so I would imagine if you have oily scalp, this is gonna be really comfortable and comforting for you. Next up, we have these two, shampoo and conditioner from OGX, and these ones have been voted best shampoo conditioner for volumizing. So this one actually helps to give you thicker, fuller hair, and from the ingredients I can tell that they are trying to strengthen the hair to minimize breakage. This is the shampoo, so I'm gonna try lather again. So it's more creamy, it's on the creamier side. Conditioner. So it has a nice like pale purple color. The conditioner is quite on the rich side. The smell for the conditioner is a bit less sweet, but it's quite similar. These two help to thicken and texturize all hair types, infuse nutrients into the hair strands, and it helps you achieve thicker, fuller, and healthier looking hair. I think these are all the products. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's also a giveaway, and they're giving away items worth up to $6,000. So I'm gonna leave the details in the description box below. And you don't want to miss them out because these items have been tried and tested by so many people, and the Daily Vanity team really put in a lot of effort into gathering all these people, selecting and handpicking the best beauty experts in the industries, as well as our lovely readers. So do check them out in the description box below, and don't forget to join the giveaway. I'll see you guys in the next video.